Hi everyone, my name is Fahim and this is my first and new series Databricks tutorials for data engineer, and this is my video number 1, Introduction to Databricks. So without wasting time, let's get down to all about Databricks. As the amount of data in an organization grows, more and more engineers, data analysts, data scientists, and ML engineer need to analyze this data using tools such as Apache Spark. Today, IT teams constantly struggle to find a way to allocate big data infrastructure budget among different users and optimize performance. End users like data scientists and analysts also spend enormous amount of time tuning their big data infrastructure for optimum performance, which is neither their core expertise nor their primary goal of deriving insights from data. To overcome a new initiative to offer serverless computing for complex data science and Apache Spark workloads, which is nothing but Databricks. Databricks Serverless is the first product to offer a serverless API for Apache Spark, greatly simplifying and unifying data science and big data workloads for both end users and DevOps. Specifically, Databricks set out to achieve the following goals. Number 1. Remove all operational complexities for both big data and interactive data science. Number 2. Reduce operational cost by an order of magnitude by letting organizations maximize their resource utilization in a shared environment spanning all their workloads. Number 3. Minimize query latency for interactive analysis. Number 4. Achieve all of them above without compromising on reliability. So that's the introduction from this video about Databricks Serverless, which is the first product to offer a serverless API for Apache Spark and some of its goals. In next video, we will talk about how to work with Databricks notebooks for data solutions, creation of clusters, as well as more about Databricks concepts. And in the entire series, you will enjoy coding in Databricks, since I will be giving some exercises and some quiz questions after each video. Hope you will be enjoying the series and good luck. And don't forget to leave feedback for this video. So today's quiz question is: the data is stored, retrieved and updated in which types of processing? Number 1, online analytical processing. Number 2, online transactional processing. Number 3, simple mail transfer protocol. Or number 4, file transfer protocol. I would like you all to answer the question in the comment section below. I believe you all know the correct answer. Bye for now and thank you all.